Stop spending time with the wrong people. Life is too short to spend time with people who suck the happiness out of you. If someone wants you in their life, they'll make room for you. You shouldn't have to fight for a spot. Never ever insist yourself to someone who continuously overlooks your worth. And remember, it's not the people that stand by your side when you're at your best.
Hi family, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is selinazinchuk. My channel is Blvd Award Natural Hair and Beauty. If that's something that interests you, come on and join the family. We are now starting our 9 months hair growth challenge. Yes, I know I am really late. Today is January 23rd and I'm now starting it. I just been so busy with my company, with the business, and yes, life just got in the middle. But since I am behind, I'm going to start the challenge off with an extreme hair growth treatment. So I got my onion juice here. This is what I'm going to be using as my pre-poo treatment. Like I told you guys, starting the challenge, I'm going to use all my DIYs ingredients. You guys will see some things that have already been put on my channel, and those are the ingredients I will be going back to visit, because every ingredient that I show you guys, I use it in my day-to-day life. I use it on my children hair, I use it on my hair. I don't just make it show to you guys and that's it. No. So you see many of my ingredients from my previous videos within these 9 months of my challenge. So I made this onion juice treatment. Now the smell for this treatment is very strong. Are you sure you're gonna keep quiet, Aurora?
Yes.
Okay, then sit down and keep quiet. Sonia, if you want to come in, you can also come in. You just have to keep quiet because I'm not doing a voice over today. It takes a lot of time. So, where was I? The smell? I know you don't know because I'm the one filming. So, the smell for this treatment is very strong. But if it's very strong for you, then you should try my previous 2-step treatment that you can use to grow back your alopecia, your bald spots, and so. Now, every video that I'm talking about, I'm gonna link it down in the description box for you. I got my Secrets growth oil and my caffeine growth oil. I mix it in here, and I'm gonna use these 2 treatment as my pre-poo treatment. Now, my hair, this hair is really dry and need a lot of love. I've been moisturizing for some days now. Something that I plan not to do for this 9 months. So I'm just going to pull this around me.
Hi, Mommy.
Yeah, you guys see exactly what I'm going to do. And today I'm also filming a day in my life video for you guys to see exactly what goes on behind the scene. Because when you guys see these videos, you're just think it's easy to make. Also with working from home and babysitting with the kids, and then also the business, and it's just a lot that happen behind the scene. But yes, it is getting done. And I'm not complaining because I'm enjoying every bit of it. You guys know I love to concentrate my treatment on my scalp also, because they're where our hair grows from. So we need to keep the follicles down, very healthy.
It's yummy.
What's yummy?
Cake-ish. Cake-ish.
Okay, I Are you making cake?
Yes.
Huh. Are you gonna share some with me?
Yes.
Okay, that's great.
I share some with you. Mommy,
You guys really want to stay in here with this onion smell?
Maya?
You always want to be right under your mommy. Okay, I'm now just going to apply some of the oil on my scalp. There, I'm gonna massage that in. Massage it in all over. And I'm also just going to add some to my hair.
Turn your hair.
Yes, baby. So I'm just going to twist this section up and move to the next section. Have you already subscribed to my second channel, my family channel, the Zinchuk family? If you haven't, you better do, because you're missing a lot. We're gonna stop uploading very regularly. We plan to upload either every Thursday or every Sunday. We're still trying to figure out what's gonna work best, because I don't want it to interfere with my hair channel. So, but yeah, we uploaded our first and second video, so head over and subscribe if you just want to know more about my life, what goes on behind the scene, more about my kids, my husband. So that would be a good way for you to stay updated with everything that's going on with me. Anyway, I'm done applying this to my hair. My kids want to talk to me, so I'm just going to go off camera, do the same thing to the rest of my hair, and then I will come back for us to see what's next we're going to do. This treatment been in for a while now. I'm just going to now go and get my bentonite clay ready for my hair, and then after I will rinse this treatment out and then go in with my bentonite clay. After an hour, I am done rinsing out my pre-poo treatment. I got my bentonite clay here, so I'm now just going to apply it to my hair and my scalp. This clay kind of acts as my shampoo. So if you want to see how I made the bentonite clay, I will leave that video down in the description box for you. You will see exactly how I made it, and in that video I used it on Sonia hair. So this is the same recipe. I didn't change any of the ingredients. I didn't change anything in it. Here in this section, feel well coated. You can see all my strands have the clay even inside. You can see it. Okay, so I'm just gonna continue applying it to my entire hair. Now, some of you guys ask a question if after you apply the clay, you can also go in with a shampoo. I use bentonite clay as my shampoo. Once I'm using it, I don't go in with a shampoo. But if that's what you want to do, that's fine. There is no need of you to clean your hair 2 times, because this is what the clay is supposed to do, clean your hair and your scalp. Whole section done. Did you guys see that? I'm now just going to continue the same thing all over my hair. I'm done applying the bentonite clay to my entire hair and scalp. I'm just going to leave it on. Normally, they suggest that you leave it on for 15-20 minutes, but I'm going to leave mine on for 30 minutes or an hour, because I got stuff to do around the house. And then after, I will just go in and rinse it out. Now, for some people who have type 3 hair, like my daughter here, When I rinse the clay out from her hair feels very soft and moisturized, that I don't have to go in with a deep condition treatment. But if you are having type 4 hair like my hair, I normally go in with my deep condition treatment just to put some moisture back into my hair, because I don't like the way it leaves my hair after. It scrapes my hair too much. So this is what I'm going to do after I rinse it out. I'm going to go in with my homemade deep condition treatment. This been in for an hour plus. As you guys can see, it is completely dry now. I got carried away. I was busy doing stuff with the business because I'm running out of my Secrets Growth Art. But luckily, we had some infusing. It's going to reach maturity tomorrow. So that's what was working on. And yes, it's dry. I'm going to go and rinse it out. And then after rinsing it out, I already got my homemade deep condition treatment ready. So if you want to see my full deep condition treatment routine, I will leave that video down in the description box for you. So I'm going to do everything within that routine. And then after, I will rinse my deep condition treatment out and go in and moisturize my hair. I will probably throw it in twist or braid. So I think I'm just gonna end the video here because after rinsing this, I need to go and change this shirt also and put on a new shirt to do my deep condition treatment. So if you love this video, please do not forget to give me a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And let me know when you are starting your hair growth challenge, our 9 months hair growth challenge. Or if you already started before me, that's awesome. You got your ball rolling. That's great. And I will see you in my next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.